Can math save democracy? Let's talk about redistricting. One of these plans is fair, and one is gerrymandered. And you're probably wrong about which is which. Politicians are crafty, and both parties know how easy it is to manipulate congressional maps to give themselves an advantage. So wouldn't it fix everything if we just divide the state up evenly and call it a day? Well, in theory, the House of Representatives should be representative of the people. And even though there are enough oddly shaped districts to create an entire font, shape isn't always the issue. The districts look nice and neat, but it elects 5 pink representatives and 0 green ones, even though 40% of voters are green. And this map that looks like a complete mess actually gives fair representation, with 2 green representatives and 3 pink ones. Of course, sometimes you can get fair representation and reasonable shapes, but the real world is messy. For example, a third of Massachusetts voters are Republican, but they're spread out in such a way that it's mathematically impossible to create representative districts. And sometimes state borders and natural boundaries can make a reasonable district look ridiculous out of context. On top of that, modern computing has come a long way since Jerry Salamander back in 1812, making gerrymandering more precise than ever. But the same math that can manipulate maps has the same power to restore representation. So the real question is, what are we optimizing for?